Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we will be doing the Sandbox game Alpha Day 18. Now as you're watching this video, more than likely the alpha period has already been done and finished, but I still wanted to go through all of the levels because I wanted to have everything documented, everything put up through the history of all of the whole Sandbox game Alpha. So we will be doing Day 18, which they launched Fortress of Bloodsouls. Now, Fortress of Bloodsouls is sitting right over here. And again, all you would have to do is click on the very bottom where it says play, and then it takes you into the game. All right, so for the Fortress of Bloodsouls, now I have not done this one just yet, so you guys are going through this one, you know, for the first time with me here. And so what you want to do is talk to your metaverse guide. So for the Fortress of Bloodsouls, it's a bit spooky, but there is much to find and see. If you'd like to earn alpha progression, I can tell you which places to find. So you want to find 5 points of interest. So the Ruined Trebuchet, Forgotten Archway, Swords Rest, Dragon Gate, and Soul-Bound Shrine. So let's just go through and let's do it. So it looks like there's a couple of them below us. And there is another guy you can speak to over here if you want to. More than likely he's going to have another quest for you to play. But because I just want to go through the whole, alpha progression, we will just be running through this, finding all 5 points of interest. So let's see, this looks like a fun little area. Looks like a little dance stage as well. Whoa, there's something going crazy going on over there. Okay, so we just jump down. We're gonna find all of these spots. So one of them is right here. So this is the Dragon Gate. So let's see, let's move back just a little bit just to see how big this is. So this is a pretty large gate, which means it's a pretty large dragon. And maybe that was what we saw just a minute ago. Here's the Ruined Trebuchet. But yeah, looks like a pretty cool spot. Now let's move on over to the next location. Looks like some of these are fairly close to, together. So here's the Forgotten Archway. But I can see that there is one below us, so more than likely we will have to drop down here. And then we'd have to probably run back up to get the very last location. So here is Soul-Bound Shrine. So here's a shrine that you might even be able to, let's see if there is a question mark. So I don't see a sign where you'd be able to purchase that one. We'll just kind of run around a little bit down here. So how about we go upstairs? Looks like we have a little battle that's going on right here as well, along with another NFT that you'd be able to take a look at. All right, so I'm hoping I'm going the right way. It looks like that there was this bridge pushing me over. Yep, looks like we are getting super close to our spot. And we have found it. Swords Rest. So this was all 5 locations that you needed to look for at this location here. Now there's some of these little NFTs you'd be able to take a look at. So it looks like we have a sword. We also have a couple chests, and so this is the Nordic Legendary Chest, which was created and still owned by the Sandbox game. You can take a look at it over inside of the marketplace. So if you're looking for something that would be pretty fun that you'd be able to put on your land, or if you wanted to sell it later on. So this was everything that we needed to do for Day 18. We found all 5 locations. Even though there is a man towards the beginning of this, that had a little exclamation point above his head, that if you wanted to do a additional quest, you'd be able to speak to him. But looks like we are done for Day 18. So this was a pretty fun experience kind of running around. Really nothing to do other than just find 5 locations. But if you guys appreciated this video, if you guys like it just for the history reasons, documentation purposes of having this thing up online. So again, hit that thumbs up if you have not done so already. You can hit that subscribe button on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.